At Polyoak Packaging, our mission is to design and produce plastic packaging that is cost-effective, sells your product, works well, and is recyclable. So our packaging does not belong in the environment. And plastics is mostly the winner when it comes to carbon footprint. So we don't see a conflict between what we do and saving the planet, because the mission is to reduce CO2.
We hope you'll share Polyoak's passion for creating an economy where plastic is valued and never becomes waste. Plastic is a perfect circular economy material, being recycled again and again to make many useful items, including new bottles. In recent years, Polyoak has reduced the weight of its PET bottles by 30% and pioneered the inclusion of recycled plastic in new bottles. We launched Africa's lightest dairy closure and the first milk bottle made from 30% plant-based plastic. We were the first converter to pledge to preventing plastic pellets from leaking into the environment. And we are a founding member of the South African Plastics Pact to eliminate plastic waste. We actively participate at board level with the relevant plastics recycling organisations to help fund recycling infrastructure, education, and the development of markets for recycled plastic. Polyoak has been recognised for outstanding commitment to packaging sustainability, and our people share the same passion with dedicated adherence to our strict environmental, health and safety standards. Polyoak has trained almost 2,000 employees across the country on how to separate their waste for recycling, and our 2-bin system is yielding positive results in the quest for zero waste to landfill. Our annual family cleanup event started 5 years ago, with participation growing every year. This year, almost 800 employees and family removed more than 1.7 tonnes of litter from our beaches, rivers and local communities. These people understand that we face a litter crisis, not a plastics crisis. They are proud to work for a plastics company that makes 100% recyclable packaging and that takes its extended producer responsibility most seriously.
It is important because of the environment.
Clean beaches means healthy beaches, healthy people, healthy animals.
I enjoy the beach. I grew up on the beach, and this is just my way of giving back a tiny bit.
Don't throw litter away, throw it in the bin.
So, why does used packaging still end up as litter? And how do we prevent this from happening? To deepen our understanding, we went on a journey to find out more. We invited waste reclaimers, recyclers and buyback centres to share their insights with us.
It's actually the first time that any converter invited us as recyclers to come and talk to them about the challenges that we've got. It's actually a delight. What's so nice to see is all these labels. I think it's in-malt labeling, which makes it very easy for us.
So if there are 2 things that you remember, it's that you shouldn't be using PVC in your bottles and you shouldn't be printing directly on your PET bottles.
And just to do a quick process, within a week, he knows that label, cool, let's go through. For the recycling industry, biodegradable is not a good idea.
Next, we went on a journey to better understand the recycling of plastic in South Africa. Finally, our journey ended at the point where our waste is compacted for landfill. Everything arriving here in a black bag goes to landfill, even if it is 100% recyclable. This is why it is so important to separate our recycling into clear bags. Roughly 20% of packaging we put in the recycling is not actually recyclable. These items join the black bags of waste going to landfill. Fortunately, there is a high demand from recyclers for Polyoak's rigid plastic packaging. Not only is our packaging fully recyclable, but it is also widely recycled at facilities across the country.
Eliminating waste in the environment has to be our #1 priority, and we can, if we work together, make this happen. Separation of waste at source, improved waste collection and consumer education are also vitally important. It is clear that solving South Africa's litter crisis requires the combined effort of all stakeholders in society, and we look forward to working together to make this happen.